The stores are empty. No farms. No supply trucks. No packaged food left anywhere. In a broken world, hunger becomes the real enemy. The human body loses strength fast without food. Energy drops. Focus fades. Mistakes become deadly. Survival now depends on one thing: finding safe calories. That in survival science, food is not about taste, it's about energy and safety. The rule is simple. Choose food that is safe, high energy, and low risk. First priority: sealed and preserved food. Canned goods. Dry grains. Survival bars. If the seal is intact, risk is lower. If it smells strange, leave it. Nature can provide food, but guessing is dangerous. Only eat plants or fruits you clearly recognize as safe. When unsure, don't risk it. In survival, caution beats hunger. Mistakes.
Heat makes food safer and easier to digest. Cooking reduces many invisible threats. Even simple heating can make a big difference. The best survival foods are energy-dense. Nuts, seeds, grains, dried foods. Small volume, high energy, longer survival. Never eat swollen cans. Never eat moldy food. Never trust spoiled smell. One wrong meal can end survival fast. Don't eat everything at once. Ration. Plan. Stretch supplies. Controlled eating keeps you alive longer than full eating. In a broken world, food is no longer comfort. It is fuel. And fuel means survival.